So you're probably here because you have this random 96 megabyte partition in your file explorer that you want to hide, and if so, I have the solution for that. So first go to your search bar, which is here in Windows 10, or in Windows 11 it's up here in the start menu. Then just search for this part. This window will pop up. Now, just type list volume. A bunch of these will come up, but you're looking for the letter that matches the random partition, which in my case is letter E here, which is volume number 4. So now, what we're going to do is type select volume 4 and then remove letter equals E. It should match with this letter. Then just type exit to exit. And now the partition is gone, and if I refresh, it's still gone. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!